Welcome to another Dolls and Doorbell video. Today we bring you
Kawaii Squeezies.
Kawaii Squeezies. And these are series 3, is that right?
Yes.
Oh my word, oh my word. How many did we get? Did we get 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Are they like a surprise inside?
There's 12 to collect on Squishies that are also stress relievers.
I don't know what is in my one. I don't know what is in my one anyway.
You don't know what's in your one. You don't know what's inside. They've got holes drilled in the top so they can breathe whatever's inside there.
But also the smell as well.
Oh. So, you going to go first?
Yeah.
You going to go first?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay, so let's open yours up and have a look. So let's open it up. Let's have a look. How do we open it?
I don't know quite how, but I might need some help.
You might need some assistance.
Yeah, probably you, probably.
Okay, there's like a little pull clip here.
Cool.
And then there's a little lift up bit. And then there's... What is it? What is it? What one did you... Okay, let's have a look. Oh my word. That is so cute.
It is so kawaii, like the name of it.
It's like it's like that Smushy Mushy that we reviewed a couple of months ago.
Oh, smush. Brilliant. So let's open our next one. I can't believe that was so good. I'm going to open our next one and have a look. So you're going to be opening next, are you?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, so 1 second and we'll come right back and open it up. So let's open yours up and have a look what you got. What is it?
It's a little puppy.
Oh my word, it's a little puppy. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my word, it's like a little winking puppy.
It's like a little dog who's They're so squishy.
They are so squishy. Well, hence the name. Squishies. Okay, shall we open up the next one and see what's in this one?
Okay. It's super easy to
Oh, is it yellow from here? Or have I got the...
Giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
It's yellow giraffe.
Oh, it's another
They
winking one.
class as keyrings as well. They're keyrings.
Oh, they're so beautiful. They're so soft.
They are.
They're so soft.
They're keyrings.
They're so cute. I wish I could have a pet as a giraffe.
Yeah, giraffe pet. That would be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah. But then their heads are too long. They'll have to bend their heads so then I can.
No, that's okay. We just can put a hole in our floor, can't we?
Yeah.
No.
Right, you'll go.
Bathroom. It's a little panda.
Oh my
It's so
word.
squishy.
Let's have a look. Oh my word, that is so beautiful. That face is just adorable. And those ears, they look amazing.
Give me some bamboo.
Ooh, bamboo, bamboo. Okay, let's open the next one and the last one of this series 3.
Don't give me no bamboo. Bamboo.
I'll put those up.
Start.
1 sec.
She's a little kitty. It's a Siamese cat.
Oh.
They're the cutest.
Oh, she is lovely. I think we got some amazing ones.
What's your favourite?
Shall we put them all in a line and we can have a look at them? So these are the 5 that we got. So we picked them at random, didn't we, when we went to the shop?
Yeah.
So we got 5 different ones, which I think is very lucky. So we got a lovely rabbit, a lovely giraffe, a lovely dog, and a cat. I hope they don't fight, those two, and a panda. So we got 5, and they were £1 each at One Below. And I think we've done very well. So this is series 3. And what are they called?
Kawaii Squeezies.
Kawaii Squeezies. They were only £1. And that's brilliant. So we're going to go back, and hopefully they've got some more still. And we might try and see if we can get all 12 in the collection. So I think we've done well getting 5 different ones.
We could probably stack them all up so then we'll make a cheerleader squad.
Yeah.
Can you?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think you can. You can stand them up.
This is the hardest.
Okay. So, thank you very much for watching.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you again soon.
Bye-bye.